Now, moving a little bit into like the actual lesson of today, but first I want to start by engaging you a little bit more, Chizi Duru, by asking you what types of phrases or things do you feel like are things Igbo speakers or Igbo learners should definitely know, like in their survival Igbo language kits, or that you feel like you definitely will hear growing up in an Igbo household?
Um, I mean, so we could talk the curse words because not
Right.
gonna lie, my parents all ever told me. But I think whenever you go to a function, you have to know Adema. You just that's the word. So anytime someone asks you
Yes.
how are you or um what is it? Kedu ka imere?
Mhm.
Just be like
Hey,
Adema. That's it.
Adema.
And then I mean, I always heard Bianga, like Bia, come here, or
Definitely.
Dawa, which is like leave or go. So just, or Iwaishi. That's it.
Hey, Guinea.
Yep.
Wow.
The things I heard growing
That
up.
escalated quickly. You wait. See.
My parents were rude.
Definitely. No, I totally agree with all of that. Like Bianga or Biaba is like, come here, Adema, fine. I think another one is Yem or like, give me this or give me that is, oh my
Hmm.
gosh, totally. Also, Meshanu, like, so close
Yes.
your mouths.
I'd be like, "Mechi, mechi."
Yeah, definitely. I know when I was a little kid, one that I knew, but I would always say it wrong is like Magida ezega dapula. Basically, saying, like, if I slap you, your teeth will fall out.
Mhm.
That was one I knew very, very well.
That's hilarious.
But then, so moving into the actual lesson, we're gonna break it up into four different categories of just going over survival phrases for like an Igbo learner or somebody who wants to just get by in Igbo real quick. The first section is going to be greetings that are specific to time or just in general. The next section will be phrases to help engage in further conversation. So let's say you begin a conversation, you got your Aldema ready to go, but you want to hit them with something a little extra. We got some phrases for that. Then the next category will be phrases about your Igbo ability. So that's something that we all experience where basically people ask you, like, can you speak Igbo? Like, are you hearing what I'm saying? Those types of things. And then the last category will be phrases to help promote active practice of the Igbo language, even in novel encounters. So, like, for example, instead of saying, oh, what is a pen in Igbo, you'll say, Ginibu pen in Igbo. So, practicing using Igbo with some like go to phrases. But so I will let Wachinemere, our wonderful teacher, take it from here with our greeting specific to time and in general.
Okay, so for some greetings specific to time, we have Ibolachi, right? Right?
Mhm.
Ibolachi. Do you know what that means?
Yeah, isn't that good morning?
Yeah, exactly. That's good morning, right? And then you can also say Ụtụtụ ọma, right?
Mama. Yeah.
Ụtụtụ ọma. That also means good morning.
I feel like that's what I hear in the village.
Really?
That's what you hear in the village?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so then you can also have like when it's night, you can say kachifo, kachifo.
Okay. I'm going to
Right?
have
So
to
what
sing.
do you know what that means?
Good night.
Exactly. Yeah. Good night. Kachifo. Some people say, depending on the dialect, some people say kachibo, you know.
Mm.
So instead of kachifo, some people say kachibo. They both mean the same thing, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so
Yeah.
let's try and
So
repeat.
that's specific to time.
So the first one, can you say it again? Master Saji?
Oh, the first one is Ibolachi.
Ibolachi.
Wow. Ijia. Ibolachi.
Ibolachi.
Wait, so
Yes.
if I want to say
Exactly.
that I get it right, do I say Eweteremia?
Exactly. Wow. Listen, I'm proud of you.
What can I say? I know my Bali.
Exactly.
Yeah. So the next one is Kachifo.
Kachifo.
Kachifo. You know the four. You kind of drag it a little bit. Kachifo.
Kachifo.
Wow. That's it. So now when we go to like greetings in general, right? You can say Kodi. Can you
God.
say it?
God.
Kodi.
Cardi.
Wow. So Kodi means goodbye. So like we shall, or you can say later. It means later. It means goodbye. You get it?
Okay.
Yeah. So you just finished talking to Ifunanya, for instance, and then you're saying Kodi. You know that's later, right?
I feel like I also hear like Kaldiwa. Have you ever heard that?
Yeah. Some dialects say Kodiwa. Some people say Kodiba.
Hey.
You know.
Okay.
Any Igbo that
Yeah.
starts
So,
with ba and fa is gone.
what do you say?
Anytime if there's any Igbo that they start adding ba or fa, I'm like, I already know I don't know that dialect.
Okay, but then yeah. So another one is no. You must have heard of this one.
I hear it
No.
all the time. Yes. No.
Mhm. No. This one, when you say it, you say it with swag. You say no. You know, you're chill when you say it. No.
No. Gotta drop that N.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so
So that means welcome, right?
welcome. Okay.
Mhm.
Nice.
Exactly. Exactly. So now you have another one. Ndewo.
Ndewo.
Yeah. So
Hey, well,
I would like the viewers to also take note of these phrases or these words so that as you keep practicing, you will know at least like conversation starters and survival phrases. So ndewo.
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 What does it mean? What does ndewo mean?
Like you're greeting people.
Exactly. Exactly.
Yes.
That's a greeting, right? Good. So now, if you're talking to like more than one person and you're trying to tell them welcome, you say no no
Or Ndewo.
on day one no. Actually,
Let me tell you something. I grew up in an Igbo household.
then at least you're proving it that you actually grew up in Igbo household, right? So now another one is Kedu.
This is the general. This is the one everyone should know.
Everyone should
This
know.
should be the most common one. Kedu.
Yes.
Kekimere or Kedu Kimere, right?
Yeah.
And then some dialects, some people will tell you hello Tede. Like where I'm from Imo State. I'm from Bisen to be precise. Some Bisen people will say hello Tede.
Why you have to shout out NBC? Like, are we
I
shouting,
mean,
we
because
shouting out our villages now? Like, where
but
we're
that's
from?
fine. Yeah. So
Have you ever heard Olo TD?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, all the time.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
oh, wait, Chizi, where you from?
I'm from Imo State as well.
Oh, what part of Imo?
Mbano.
Oh, Mbano. That's our brothers now. Mbano, Bisen, we're the same. It's the
Yeah.
same thing. So now, if you want to go further in conversations in Igbo, you can go into, like deeper phrases or sentences like, if you greet the person, for instance, you tell them, okay, right? Or the person tells you, Adima, And then you ask, Aho dekwagi?
Aho dekwagi.
Exactly. So that means, how is your health? Or are you good? Are you good? Are you? You get it?
Yep.
So
Aho dekwagi.
say it one more time. Wham. Aho dekwagi. Right? So are you okay? Or how is your health?
This is
Something
fun.
like that. Yeah, so like if you can, by the end of this class, I'm pretty sure you'll be able to just have like, simple conversation in Igbo. When you meet someone who doesn't understand English like me, I only understand Igbo. So when you meet someone like me and you want to say hi, you can at least start with this conversation, and then I'll know that okay, on my honey. So so moving on. When you tell the person Aho Dikwagi, and the person answers Ahodim, right? Ahodim, meaning I'm fine. And then they'll say Ginwakwano.
Could they
Right? Can you
say,
repeat?
if they say like ahudi, they could be like ahudi mumma. Ahudi mumma.
Yeah, some people say Ahodim, right? Some people also say Ahodim. That means I'm good.
Okay.
All right, Chizi throwing in some extra phrases.
Yep. Yep. Right. Right. So then the person asks you Ginwakwano. Can you repeat it?
Ginwakwano.
So Ginwakwano. Now, depending on, like I always say, Igbo is one language that is very vast, right?
Yeah.
You have different dialects that make up Igbo language. So we have the generic Igbo, which is the central Igbo that we're taught in schools, right? Which is like one that when you speak it, everybody in all parts of Igbo language will be able to understand. And then you have different dialects as well. Now, the way some of these words are pronounced also depends on your dialect. You get it? Good. So some people can say Ginwakwano. Some people can say Ginwakwano. You know what I mean? Just depending on the area where you're from. Exactly. So, but whatever dialect you speak, that's still correct. That's Igbo.
Right.